YouTube, what's up? This is Miko. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about this hair that I'm wearing right now. I've had it in for 2.5 months and it is time to take it out. I've had this hair in so long, the weaving net has grown back to the middle of my head. This is what it looks like. This is how much new growth I have. I've had this hair in so long, it has grown back to the middle of my head. Lord have mercy. It is so time to take this weave out. But I ain't worried about it because I throw a couple clip-ins in the top. Good as new. Yes, honey, yes. But I haven't taken it out yet because I've been so busy. I had 360 lipo about 6 weeks ago, and it's been so convenient not having to worry about my hair during that recovery process. Yes, my waist is snatched. But before we get into the topic of conversation today, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's get right into it. All right, guys, so let's get into this hair. So these are Kinky Curly Bundles from Queen Weave Beauty. I first found out about this hair from Aquia on IG, and it looks so cute on her. So check out her channel when you get a chance, because she was definitely my inspiration for this hair. And at that point, I was looking for a sew-in to wear to Vegas, because we were going to Vegas for the Super Bowl, and I wanted something where I could wake up all cute in the Airbnb with my hair up in a little bun or whatever. So I decided to get the bundles. This hair is 100% virgin, which I love because you can dye and bleach the hair, etc. And now I'm just looking through the package contents to see what they gave us, sister. And what I did love is that they have this instruction booklet that tells you how to take care of the hair. And I saw this notice that said no refunds or exchanges. So make sure you are sure before you click place order, because you can't get your money back. So I got 3 bundles in 18, 20, and 22 inches. And when I first took this hair out of the pack, it looked so processed. It did not look virgin to me, but I went ahead and gave it a shot and ended up loving it. I installed the hair the weekend before Super Bowl. We did not go to the game, but we were in Vegas. We were in the house, okay? Had a ball. We ended up going to the Lee Steinberg annual Super Bowl party. And if you've never heard of him, he is the character that Jerry Maguire was based on. So he's a sports agent, and the party was bomb. As soon as we walked in, I saw Ray J. I was like, hey, Ray J. But I couldn't get a picture with him because he was rushing out as we were coming in. I was like, dang, I wanted to take a picture. But the party was bomb. We had a great time. There were a bunch of celebrities and athletes there because it was a sporting event. But anyway, I digress. So I installed the hair right before we went to Vegas, and I used a weaving net for the first time. It took a little bit of practice, you know, trying to master sewing that onto your cornrows, but I got it. I made it work, and I love using the weaving net because it gives you more base to sew more tracks on if you like the full look like I do, right? You can pack more tracks in there. So I love using the weaving net, highly recommended. And I did not get any footage of me installing the hair, but I did get some footage of my wash day routine. So I shampoo the hair once a month, and I use the Dove Nutritive Oil Therapy Caroline. That's what they recommend in the instruction booklet, so make sure you read that because they tell you what products to use on the hair and what products not to use on the hair. I co-wash once a week using that same conditioner, and I detangle every 3 days or so. For leave-in, I use the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In Conditioner. It looks like honey, and it has the same consistency as honey. It's very hydrating, so I make sure my hair is a little more damp than normal when I put it on, just so it can really hydrate the strands. The downside is that it soaks right into the strands, so it doesn't give you that slippage you need to detangle. So I also have to go in with my Mielle leave-in conditioner so I can get that slippage I need to detangle. Once I detangle, I use Uncle Funky's Daughter's Styling Gel. This gel is very expensive, but I like it because it moisturizes the hair and it doesn't make it feel hard and dried out. And I'm using the Carol Daughter's Goddess Strength Hair and Scalp Oil to oil my scalp and add some moisture to the hair. I also rub this on my natural hair and massage it into my scalp. Then I normally split my leave out back with some Eco Styling Gel, put a headband on, and I'm good.
And throughout the week, if I need to freshen up the curls, I'll just spritz it with my water bottle and put on some more leave-in conditioner, a little bit of gel if I want to make it shiny. That's pretty much it, and I sleep in a bonnet at night. That's all I do. So I don't think this hair is high maintenance. The only downside is that you're gonna get a lot of shedding when the hair is wet and you're applying your styling products and detangling the hair, lots of shedding. Good thing is it doesn't shed once it dries. So people say this hair is high maintenance, but I don't think it is. I guess it just depends on how you like to wear it. I like the more natural frizzy look, so you know, not high maintenance to me. So guys, that's pretty much it. I love this hair. I think it looks amazing. So anyway, I love this hair. I am gonna take it out. I don't know what I'm gonna put in next. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think I should try next. If you're on the fence, I highly recommend it. Go ahead and get it, girl. You're gonna love it. If I miss anything, you have any questions, leave them below and I will try to answer every one of them. I always respond to my comments, so hey. So anyway, thanks for hanging out. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay blessed. Bye.